Listen, brother, to the trumpet sound. We are free and no longer bound. When the sun has set you free, rise up and proclaim your liberty. Oh, don't you settle for the prison floor when the Lord has offered you so much more. Shed your shackles of sin and doubt, let faith arise, walk on out. Beware the enemy seeks to bind, take captivity of your mind, telling you that you can't be free, and that there is no such thing as Jubilee. Oh, don't you settle for the prison floor when the Lord has offered you so much more. Shed your shackles